Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. We haven't heard about Cubot and its new products for a few months. It seems that the Chinese manufacturer has been preparing a big announce, and finally it happened. Please meet Cubot X20 Pro. The main features of this phone are triple camera on the back, Helio P60 chipset, 6 and 128 gigs of memory, and 6.3-inch Full HD display. This is the first look at Cubot X20 Pro. Later, we will try to get this smartphone for unboxing and full review. Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, not to miss new videos. If the front panel of Cubot X20 Pro with water drop notch doesn't differ from other mobile devices in 2019, then the rear panel is quite interesting. First, it is made of glass. Secondly, have you already seen the first leaks with the image of upcoming iPhone 11? It will have a square on the back with triple camera and flashlight. The new Cubot X20 Pro has the same rear panel. When iPhone 11 will be released, many people say that Apple copied the design of Cubot. I'm just kidding. Anyway, the back panel of a new Cubot phone looks very nice. As for the front panel, there is 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display. The manufacturer says that the screen-to-body ratio is 92.8%. We know that Chinese companies like to increase this number. The smartphone has USB Type-C port, but I don't see 3.5mm audio jack. I hope that it will be. In general, the new Cubot X20 Pro looks very beautiful and unusual, especially back panel. Talking about hardware, Cubot X20 Pro has typical chipset and memory for 2019 mid-range phone. It is powered by Helio P60, 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal memory. We have already tested many phones on Helio P60 chipset, for example, Umidigi F1 Play. This smartphone scores about 140,000 points in Antutu. Also, the new device from Cubot will run on Android 9.0 Pie operating system. Perhaps the main feature of a new Cubot X20 Pro is camera. There is triple camera on the back, and it consists of 12 megapixels main sensor, Sony IMX486 12 megapixel sensor for depth effect, and 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens. You know, I am a big fan of ultra-wide lens, so I would like to see real images on Cubot X20 Pro. The front camera will have a 13 megapixel sensor. I haven't forgotten about the battery. It will have a capacity of 4000 mAh. There is no information about fast charging, but the phone has USB Type-C port, so the support of fast charging should be. Cubot X20 Pro is interesting smartphone, mostly because of design and camera. However, we don't know the price of this phone, so we can't say should you buy it or not. If it will be about $200, then it is a good deal. If it's more expensive, I'm not sure I'd like to buy it. By the way, Cubot will also release a smartphone called Cubot X20. It will have the same design, camera and battery, but Helio P23 chipset, 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. If the camera is more important for you than performance, then Cubot X20 may be a better option for you. Thanks for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.